Hey guys, welcome back to Financial Phoenix. I've got several hot deals for you this week at Dollar General, and they're mostly all digital. These deals are easy couponing, especially if you're a beginner, and there's a good mix of practical and super low out-of-pocket totals. Quick announcement right up front that we are probably having a Dollar General clearance sale this weekend starting Friday, April 30th through to Sunday, May 2nd. I'm waiting for confirmation from my local stores, so keep checking back for our clearance sale video, which will be full of visuals of what's included as well as coupon matchups. So if you're not subscribed yet, you'll definitely want to hit the subscribe button right below this video and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on that video update. Stick around to the end of this video for a sneak peek at what will be included in the clearance sale. Let's get into this week's deals. For this first transaction, we're going to start by picking up 2 of the Purex laundry detergent. We've had this all deal before, but they did include Purex this time, so I'm going to take advantage of that. They are going to be 2 for $8, and we have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon in our account on that. We're also going to pick up 2 General Mills cereals. You want to pick up one of the Dunkaroos cereal if you can find it, and also one of the Sesame Street cereal. These are going to be 2 for $5 this week, so $2.50 a piece, saving a little bit of money right there. We have a $1 off digital coupon on the Dunkaroos cereal, and if you're able to find it, your Sesame Street cereal may have a $1 Peely coupon attached to the box, like you can see in mine here. So that's going to be some savings right there, but then you're also going to use your Fetch app to save you even more money. So Fetch has a $1 rebate back on the Dunkaroos cereal, and they have a $1.20 rebate back on the Sesame Street cereal. So essentially you're looking at like $4.20 in savings on $5 worth of cereal, which is really good. If you don't have the Fetch app, you can use our code right here to download it and begin saving even more money on products you already buy. And when you do so, it does help support this channel and the work that goes into bringing you these deals. Next, we're going to pick up one of the Swiffer wet refills. We don't get great coupons on these too often, so I like to take advantage when we get them. These are $4.50, and we have a $2 off digital coupon. Next, we're going to pick up one of the Cascade action packs for $4.50, and we've also got a $1 off digital coupon on those. Last but not least, pick up one of the Schick classic razors for $4.50 and use the $3 off digital coupon on this item. Make sure you have your $5 off of 25 coupon clipped, and your out-of-pocket cost and your subtotal after all of your items are rung up should be $26.50. But after all of your coupons and your Fetch rebates come off, you are looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $7.30 for 7 items. So roughly about $1 an item, which is a great deal, especially on stuff like Swiffer and Cascade. Remember that you do have to submit your receipt to the Fetch app after you purchase your items to get your $2.20 back on your cereal. Okay, so for this second deal, you're going to start by picking up one of the CoverGirl eyebrow pencils for $4.50, and we have a $3 off digital coupon on that. Next, pick up a bottle of the 40 ounces of Pine Sol. This is $3. Make sure you're getting the 40 ounce bottle. We have this 35-cent coupon for the 24 ounce plus. Plus, we have an Ibotta rebate back on the 40 ounce bottle for 50 cents. And there's a Fetch rebate on this as well for $1. So getting a lot of savings on one product. You can use code DDASFMR to download Ibotta if you haven't already. It helps us save a ton of money every month. You can see there what I've made on Ibotta just since having it for about a year or so, a little over a year and a half. You can also pick up 2 of the Dove body wash. Now this is the only thing this week that you'll need a paper coupon for. These will come to $10.50 for both. And you have a buy one get one paper coupon from our last Unilever insert. That was about a week or 2 ago. So essentially one of those is going to be free. So the buy one get one paper coupon is a big help. Next, pick up 3 of the Colgate toothpaste. These are $2.75 a piece. So you want to make sure you're getting this kind specifically. You're going to use the $5 digital coupon on those, $5 off of 3. And last but not least, make sure you've got that 5 off of 25 clipped as well. So again, the only paper coupon you're going to need for this transaction is on the Dove body wash. Your subtotal is going to come to $25.75, and after all your coupons and your 5 off 25 come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $6.40, and you can't beat that. In addition to our practical couponing, we've also got some fun deals, this being one of them. This is, we've got some good stuff here, but this is just going to be a really fun one to do. So go ahead and pick up one of the Old Spice body wash. Be careful about which kind you pick up. Use your Dollar General app to scan the product and make sure it applies for the $5 digital coupon. But essentially this body wash is $4.50 and we have a $5 coupon. So this is going to be a 50-cent moneymaker. And that's important because Dollar General does allow you to use overage. They won't pay you at the end of your transaction, but you can apply the overage to other items in your transaction. Next, pick up 1 of the bags of Halls. These are $1.95, and we have a $1 digital coupon, essentially making them just 95 cents. And if you didn't do the other deal using the Schick razor, you could go ahead and pick one of those up too for $4.50. This is the Schick Classic, and you have the $3 off digital coupon on this. Same thing with the CoverGirl eyebrow pencil for $4.50. You can also use the $3 digital coupon on that. And last but not least, if you didn't use that Colgate coupon on the other transaction, you could do this Colgate 3-pack of the Fresh Clean Mint for $6 and use the $5 digital coupon on that, making it just $1 for all 3 packs. Last but not least, pick up a package of Bounty paper towels. These are the 6 rolls for $5.50, and we have just $1 digital coupon on that. And make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped. Your subtotal for this transaction is going to come to $26.95, but we have a lot of high value coupons here, and our out-of-pocket cost is going to come to just $3.95 for all of it, or just 65 cents each. And I don't need to tell you that 65 cents for Bounty paper towels is a win any day of the week. Don't forget that the deals in this video are only valid with the 5 off 25 coupon on Saturday, May 1st. You can include clearance items in your 5 off of 25 transactions, but just remember that they will ring up at their current price. And it wouldn't be a Dollar General couponing video without some Gain products, so let's go ahead and finish up with our Gain deals. You're going to start by picking up one of the Gain tubs for 51 count. This is $13.50, and we have a $3 off digital coupon on that. And again, this is all digital, so you don't need any paper coupons for this Gain deal. Next, pick up one of the Gain dish soap for $2, and you have a $1 off digital coupon, making it just half price. Also pick up 2 of the Febreze plugs that are Gain scented. These are $5 a piece, so $10 for both, and we have a $5 off digital coupon on these. And pick up one of the Gain flings. These are the 14 count for $3.95, and use the $1 off digital coupon on those. Last but not least, make sure you pick up a Gain sheets. This is the 15 count for just $1. If you don't see it in your laundry aisle, it will be in the dollar section. And this is just to get us over that $30 mark. So also make sure you have your 5 off of 25 as well as your 5 off of 30 Gain scented purchase coupon clipped. And your subtotal for that should come to $30.45. And your out-of-pocket cost after all those coupons come off is going to be just $10.45 plus tax for 6 items, or just $1.74 each. And that is a lot of gain flings for $1.74 each. So that's a really, really good price. One thing to note though is that the P&G promo is back. So if you wanted to do this deal differently, you could do it in the following way. You could start by picking up one of the gain 51 count of the flings like you did in the first gain deal. Use that $3 off digital coupon. Next, pick up one of the gain dish soaps, again $2 with that $1 digital coupon. And pick up one of the 14 count of the gain flings with that $1 digital coupon. So we're skipping the Febreze essentially. And last but not least on this transaction, pick up one of the large gain liquids. These are the 150 ounce big boys. And you're going to use a $2 digital coupon on that. That is going to bring your subtotal to $32.95. And then after all those coupons come off, again with your 5 off 25 and your 5 off of 30, your out-of-pocket cost is going to come to just $15.95, and you're getting a lot for that $15.95. With the gain liquid 150 ounce plus the 51 count of the flings, that's a lot of gain. Plus, so for $15.95, you're getting all of that. Then remember, you're getting your $5 coupon back on the bottom of your receipt. That'll be good on your next purchase of 501 or more. So that's essentially the P&G promo. So you're spending $5 more essentially. I think you're getting a little bit more for your money in the second transaction, and you're still getting that $5 back. So it's essentially still like spending $10.95, whereas in the first transaction you were just spending $10.45. So if you have access to paper coupons and you want to see how to do these deals a little bit differently with paper coupons from the P&G insert, definitely follow us on TikTok, where I'll be posting a video about that later on today. We are financial_Phoenix on TikTok as well as Instagram. Don't forget that you can mix and match these deals with items from the P&G promotion, and get other things that you need or want, and you can still get that $5 off on the bottom of your receipt for your next purchase. So that's always an option as well. And last but not least, if you've never shopped a Dollar General clearance sale before, I highly recommend that you check out our playlist of past sales and hauls so that you can get a feel for what you'll be in for. I'll include a link to those in the description box down below, or you can click on it up here at the top of the video. Those are going to be really, really helpful, especially for beginners. A lot of it can be all digital, but if you have access to paper coupons, even better. There is a link in the description box for free printable coupons that help support this channel. So if you want to print out any for Friday or Saturday, I recommend you do that there. Thanks for checking out this video. Leave us a thumbs up if you're excited about one of these deals, and let us know in the comments what item you're really needing to coupon for this weekend. For me, it's definitely Swiffer. And remember to save money, make money, and dream big. Bye!